Hello fellow trading and investing fanatics. It's been a while since I updated you guys, so today is August 5th and it's about 30 minutes away from closing, market close. So I've been traveling, so I haven't really done an update video, so I made a bunch of changes. Today we'll talk about Mara real quick. So Mara has been a long-standing position of mine. I've held it since I believe early February, and I'm holding it until the Bitcoin bull market is potentially over. So it's been a while since I updated. So I did a lot of hedging. I sold a lot of covered calls. I made some, I lost some, but overall now the cost basis is back up to 1309 ever since this big run we had this past 2 weeks. So what I did was I opened a credit spread for Mara. So I have the 24 call and I have the 40 call. I bought the 24 call and I sold the $40 call, a September 17 expiration date. So I believe that Mara could potentially see a run to 40 in 2 months time, and my downside is somewhere around $25, so $25.50. So let's just say we break down a lot and we fail and we come back and retest and we don't bounce, I will potentially lose about 5% of my account, so about $500 from the credit spread, and I will be selling covered calls to hedge out the position if it does go against me quickly. But for the long term, we're going to look at the monthly chart. So right now we had a giant run and then now we pull back, right? So if we can close or beat the last month's candle 31.55 and we move higher, actually, yeah, we're about 12-13 cents away. So if we break above, then that's very bullish, and I think we could see a big run, right, for the next month or two. So that's my take on it, but you know, you never know. It's risky, and right now we're on the weekly. We're actually sitting on resistance, so we need to break through above that. And let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been on a tear ever since the testing of the 30,000 level, and then we make a run. We pull back. Now we're expecting the stock to the Bitcoin to pull back to about 35,000, but we didn't make it, and then we made this run. That's where I got in. I kind of saw this pattern, not a pattern, but this bullish bar, and then we closed above 40,000. Hopefully today, I think we should, because the candle should close in roughly about 4 hours. So that's the thesis, right? And then I'm anticipating a breakout of the trend line above here. So if we do get that, then great. If not, then, you know, oh well. So there's the update. I also, on my portfolio, I sold out Aqua Bounty call, and I converted it into DOYU, which is a Chinese stock. So some of you might know that the Chinese stocks have taken a beating. And if you look at BABA, I added BABA to my long-term portfolio, and then I also try to play this really small stock called DOYU. It's basically like a streaming platform. I bought at 14.19, so I'm down quite a bit, but I'm willing to hold it for a while. I want to see how long I can hold a losing stock, or at least when it's in a downtrend, and how long till I actually be like, oh, I need to sell this. So this is like a bit of a training for me. I've never really bought into fear that much, or at least, you know, after such a big sell-off, especially very negative sentiment on the Chinese stocks. I think this is a good test for me. So anyways, mainly wanted to update you on the Mara position, and that's pretty much it. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.